Hi, to measure sleep data on your HUAWEI Band 9, as a first step, take your band, use this button to open the list of apps, so simply press it and find a sleep section. Simply tap it, then swipe up and you will see the sleep mode here. You can activate it right now or you can make it scheduled and set your own schedule here, and after that select this button to add time. Now, after that step, we will need to open this Huawei Health, which is installed on the phone already, I hope so. Here, go in this Health tab. After that, scroll a bit and you will see this Sleep section. So here you can manage and check your data during the day, week, month, and even year. You can tap on the date here and select the needed date manually. Also, you can record sleep here, so you can set a timer to wake up. You can check the time here and music and add your alarm, and after that tap this button to start. And also you can check this button to add record. Simply tap it and you'll be able to set your own sleep time and your own sleep schedule. So here you can see the date, after that sleep time, so lie down time, yesterday at this time, got up, and here set your own time. Then go in the time it takes to fall asleep after lying down and here select the time. For example, in my case it would be 40 minutes. And time it takes to get up after waking up, I guess 10 minutes is enough. And then tap the OK button and this recording will be saved and you will see its data right here on the full screen. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.